Hello everybody and welcome back to another Paw Patrol Fan 95 presentation. So today I will be unboxing and showcasing these 4 Disney Cars Diecast characters. So without further ado, let's get started. Roll the intro! So up first, I will be unboxing Kathy Copter, who appeared in the first Cars movie. So here she is out of the box. A really cool red helicopter with the RSN logo on the side. And here is another helicopter that was released, Ron Hover, who is the same mold as Kathy Copter, but they are 2 completely different characters. So that's cool. Put you over there. And next up, we have Wheel Del Lee, who appeared in the Doc Hudson racing flashback in Cars 3, when Smokey was telling the story of how Doc Hudson flipped over Leroy Hemming. Oh, the packaging fell over. There we go. Actually, no, you get put over here. There we go. So here is Wheel Del Lee. He works for the same company as Kathy Copter, the RSN. He was a 1950s style vehicle. Well, he is a 1950s style vehicle. And he worked for the RSN, or the WRSN as it was called back then. Number 12. And it's just a really cool diecast overall. So yeah, put you over here. And up next we have Fair Game, who appeared in the Demolition Derby scene of the 3rd Cars movie. Fun fact, Fair Game I think was first released in the year 2020. So here he is. He is a really cool Demolition Derby character with yellow paint and a checkerboard pattern of white and black. And the checkerboard pattern is also on the roof as well as on the sides. He is the number 42. And the tagline on the side of him says crash only, as a pun to cash only. Here's the front with the 2 exhaust pipes. 24, oh sorry, not 24, 42. And another crash only sign. Or, you know, not sign, but the catchphrase. A really cool diecast. And finally, I'll be unboxing the Quadratorkasaur, which is a dinosaur that appeared in the Cars on the Road episode, Dino Park. Put you over there. There you go. He is a dinosaur who has Stegosaurus-style spines on the back and a really cool horn. And I think the wheels on this car are supposed to resemble stone. And also, here is another dinosaur character, the West Philanthropist Bus. They both have horns. That's cool. So there. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye now!